Talo kayo kahit sa dami ng pera nyo, walang doktor na makapagpapalino ng mata nyo. Kaya
Yung anak ka ng presidente, kapatid ka ng VP, mayor at congressman, pero kailangan mo magbenta ng deodorant sa TikTok with matching actual application of deodorant sa kilikili mo because sayang ang pera para may pambili ka ng luho. Samantalang ang anak ng mga congressman lang na kung sino-sino nag-aaral abroad sa Europe at Switzerland at walang alam sa buhay, akala hardworking lang ang kanilang mga magulang. I would like to understand this. I would like to understand what you feel about this. Now you tell us right here in this committee, anong ibig sabihin nitong impression na ito? You give us names. Who are you referring to?
Huwag kang masyadong halata. Bato sa langit.
And this is something that you should apologize also. Anong sabi mo? Do not let these criminal forces twist reality to turn a strong, decisive leader into a monster. Now let me ask you, who are these criminal forces? Naiinsulto ko, I am insulted with your statement.
Yung pong post has nothing to do with you.
Yung